The standards that you should expect from a fire door manufacturer are that their product is fully third-party certificated. So this means that you've got an independent third party, a notified body, coming in and performing an audit of the factory production control system. I talk about this control, it's really important because that's what's ensuring that there is control over the specification, the manufacturing standards, the workmanship, the production, how we package even the product. It's that control that is so essential because it's that control of specification that leads us right back to the fire test that was originally done on the product, back to that specification that we know works. It's also about regularly taking that product and retesting it in the furnace. So it's not just relying on an out-of-date test report that could be years old. I'm regularly taking that product to ensure that nothing has changed. The other thing about third-party certification as well is that the manufacturer who is doing third-party certificated fire doors or door sets or door systems will have to supply that product with essential traceability and essential information as well. So the type of information I'm talking about is installation instructions, care and maintenance instructions. And remember, for a fire safety product within a building, this complies with Regulation 38 because it's essential that you hand over that information to the end user who's able to manage that product safely throughout its life. So it's about that traceability, it's about that independent inspection by an independent party, and it's about the traceability of the compatible components, the recipe of the fire door, if you like.